Good morning, Mr. Thomas. We've been assessing your mother, Mrs. Eleanor, and considering strategies to help her maintain independence at home. She's expressed some difficulty with tasks like preparing meals and dressing, particularly since her recent fall. We're looking at a few options, including adaptive equipment for the kitchen, perhaps a perching stool, and some long-handled utensils. For dressing, we might suggest button hooks and sockets.
That all sounds helpful. She has mentioned struggling a bit more in the kitchen lately, and getting dressed seems to take her a long time. She's always been very self-sufficient, so Mihira, this is quite frustrating for her. She's also become a little unsteady on her feet, even indoors, which is why the fall was so concerning.
Yes, the reduced balance can certainly impact confidence with everyday activities. While the adaptive equipment aims to make specific tasks easier, we also need to address the underlying issue contributing to her difficulties. The reduced range of movement in her shoulders and hips, likely a consequence of some mild arthritis and deconditioning following a period of reduced activity after the fall, makes reaching for items in the kitchen and maneuvering during dressing quite challenging. The equipment will compensate for some of this, but improving her physical capacity is also key to long-term independence.
So, the equipment is more of a short-term aid while we work on improving her strength and movement?
Precisely. The adaptive aids provide immediate support, allowing her to participate more safely and independently now, while a tailored exercise program focusing on strengthening key muscle groups and improving her range of motion will address the root causes, making these tasks difficult.
It is completely understandable to feel concerned about the bruising and discomfort you are experiencing, Mihira, but please be assured that there are several gentle ways you can manage this at home to support your recovery. To help reduce any swelling and soothe the area, you should begin by applying ice packs and making an effort to keep your hand elevated above the level of your heart whenever possible. If the discomfort becomes bothersome, you may use over-the-counter pain relief, such as paracetamol, as needed to keep yourself comfortable while the tissue heals. When applying the ice, it is important to do so with care to protect your skin. Please apply a cold compress for approximately 15 to 20 minutes at a time, ensuring you take regular breaks between sessions to prevent any skin damage from the cold. This process should be repeated 2 or 3 times throughout the day. By following these simple steps, you will help the bruising fade more quickly and ease the tenderness in your hand. Please remember to be patient with yourself as your body heals.